Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started on Gumroad. Gumroad is a fantastic platform designed for creators like you to sell digital products directly to your audience. It's a straightforward way to share your creations, whether they are ebooks, online courses, or music. Setting up your free account is quick, often taking less than 5 minutes, allowing you to begin your selling journey almost immediately. Once your account is ready, the next step is creating your first product. Gumroad offers several product types, including digital, physical, and subscription models, giving you flexibility. You will then upload your files or link to external content, which is a simple process. Finally, set a fair price for your offering. Consider its value and what your audience might expect to pay. A well-designed product page is crucial for attracting buyers. Start by crafting a compelling description that clearly outlines the benefits of your product. Next, upload high-quality images or a video to give potential customers a visual understanding of what they are purchasing. You can also customize your URL and add strong call-to-action buttons to guide visitors. With your product live, it's time to promote it. Share your unique product link widely across your social media channels and email lists. Consider offering an introductory discount, perhaps 20% off, to attract early adopters. Engaging with your audience, answering questions, and building a community around your work will significantly boost your sales and foster loyalty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.